It's chaos happening now! I'm down to attack stocks, a bloodbath! Get out! The whole board is red!
What's up, you guys? It's Money Dominoes. So it's official. If you have any amount of money in the markets, you need to hear what just happened. In a surprising move, Trump confirmed that Jerome Powell will soon be replaced as the head of the Federal Reserve. The person appointed was not who markets expected. Immediately after the announcement, stocks started selling off. Gold and silver also dropped sharply. The idea of easy money is now being questioned because the new leadership could change the rules completely. The new Fed chair, Kevin Warsh, previously served during the 2008 financial crisis. He was known for opposing excessive stimulus and warning about inflation risks. His philosophy focuses on higher interest rates, slower growth, and a stronger dollar. This is the opposite of what markets were expecting. Investors were expecting lower rates and more money printing. Now, uncertainty has
Sell
increased.
everything now!
Trump has
Oh
pushed
my
for
God,
lower
it's all
interest rates to
red!
boost growth. A weaker dollar can make U.S. exports cheaper and help increase stock prices. However, tighter policies could strengthen the dollar but slow down markets. The key point is this: markets hate uncertainty. When investors cannot predict the future, prices become volatile. Historically, market drops are normal.